W-meter stroke emitting liter counter. We now show you how to set the pump for what concern the stroke emitting liter counter. This stroke emitting liter counter emits 4 strokes per liter. Check that the pump has the same setup. Press Enter twice, short menu appears. Press the up arrow, full menu appears. Press Enter, Prog 1 mode appears. Press up arrow, Prog setup appears. Press Enter. Press the up arrow till set W meter is reached. Press Enter. The number of strokes per liter appear. Press the right arrow. Press the up arrow to set 4 strokes per liter. Press Enter. Press ESC 3 times.